Welcome to the Ditto video. Like the other videos, this video is divided into 3 sections: the sample sales pitch, then a review of presentation materials, and finally, the frequently asked questions, starting with the general questions and then the internal only questions. First up is the sample sales pitch.
Ditto is a fun, playful material using 1/16 inch thick Varia Eco Resin. Available in thousands of colors through the C3 color system, you can use multiple colors and negative space to create an intriguing, eye-catching wall feature, partition, or ceiling feature. You can use the negative space for elements like a monitor, as we show in the Skype installation. Ditto also looks beautiful as a series of white tiles in front of a painted wall and can be installed as a ceiling feature in the same way. Ditto tiles come in 36 tile increments for each color specification, but there are also many colors that are available in Ditto by the tile, called Ditto Direct. In addition to the colors available in Ditto, we recently introduced wood finishes for Ditto. These finishes allow this playful product to take a more classic aesthetic, useful for corporate settings, for example. Since it is a thin material, Ditto can be cold bent and wrapped around materials like a large column or used as a transitional element between wall and ceiling. Ditto also has an online configuration tool that can be used to create your space, and the material is easy to install using 2 standard 3-form hardware systems: point support, a cap and barrel system for direct attachment to a wall or ceiling, or suspend, a cable and rod system for use of Ditto as a partition. Ditto tiles are snapped together with a durable polycarbonate connector that is compatible with the 3-form hardware systems. Ditto starts at $30 per square foot, but price is largely driven by sheet yield and amount of negative space incorporated.
There's a number of materials that you should use to conduct an effective presentation on studio products. Right now we'll focus on the materials you should have to present on Ditto. You need the C3 color chain. This will be helpful to have on hand to support your presentation. You'll also need the Ditto wood chain and the Ditto 12, which contains samples of the 12 C3 colors that are available for Ditto Direct, meaning the client orders Ditto by the tile. Make sure that you have the polycarbonate connector for Ditto as well. Remember that you can use the overview fold-out brochure to show examples of the entire studio line. This brochure is a great giveaway for each attendee at your presentation. Another essential part of your Ditto presentation are the sample Ditto tiles. This photo shows C3 tiles on the left and wood tiles on the right. It's definitely a good idea to have a representation of both C3 and wood in your presentation. Finally, you should have a studio catalog, which shows all of the studio offerings. Each A&D library or firm should have at least one copy of this catalog.